What's up, beauties and gents? I am back with another video. So I ain't gonna do too much talking. This video is about how to get paid using Facebook, using any social media platform. This is one based on how to get paid using Facebook. Your girl is monetized on Facebook, so I'm trying to get to the bag. It is kind of hard, but I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. And I'll tell you right here in this video, right now. So what you need to do to get paid from Facebook. First off, you need to have a Facebook. Get y'all pen and papers out because like I said before, I'm always spitting game. I'm always telling you guys game for free. So get your pen and paper out. Let's do the steps. Let's do the steps. Step 1, you need a Facebook. Step 2, you need 1,000 followers. Okay, let me stop. Too much. Okay. First, you need a Facebook. 2, you need 1,000 followers. Now you're wondering, how do you get your followers? When you post reels and people like them, they're going to go to your page. They're going to click on you. If they like it enough, they're going to follow you. That's how you get your followers. 2, you need to be active on your Facebook page. What I mean active is not just scrolling down and looking and then getting off and all that stuff. You need to be active, like you're making posters on your Facebook. You're making reels. You're making stories on your timeline. You know, you're making posts, you just doing the all of above. Like you're active on Facebook, like you be on Facebook, like, you know, you be on Facebook and you're active. Step 3, Facebook requires you to have 1,000 followers, and it also requires you to have 100,000 views. Now that is where I am stuck at. I have the 1,000 followers, but the 100,000 views is kind of, you know, kind of hard to get, but I'm getting there. I'm not letting that discourage me because you do have 30 days to get those followers, and I'm determined to get those followers. So if you guys are wanting to help me to get those followers, my Facebook will be down below, and I'll do the same return to you. If you have a Facebook and you're monetized, I'll do the same to you. I'll follow, I'll like your reels, etc., etc. So what you want to do after you have the 1,000 followers and 100 views, even if not having that, you still want to follow these steps because you still can get paid without even having the 100,000 views. You still can get paid from Facebook ads and Facebook stars. Facebook ads are ads that are placed on your videos. Stars are when somebody sends you stars on Facebook reels. So everything is on your reels. So what you basically want to do is you want to post original content. What I mean original content, I mean you're recording the video. You are talking in your video. It's your content. It's not a TV show content. It's not somebody else's content. It's not a music video. It's your content. Like you made it, you created it, you thought about it, and you made the content. Your content. It has to be like that. I'm going to tell you guys why. You also do not need any social media links in your reels. So what I mean by that is if you post on TikTok a video, and you know how TikTok has their logo, you cannot save that video to your phone and then upload it on Facebook. If you are monetized and you're trying to get paid by Facebook, you cannot do that. Facebook, it doesn't need no logo. If there's a logo on there, there's a pretty sure chance that you may not or may get invited to the Facebook Reels pay. It just depends on if, you know, Facebook picks it up. But I do recommend that you do not use any logos. No Instagram logos, no TikTok logos. So all your videos, when you record, I say this to everyone, when you record your videos, you need to just record it on your regular camera, so then you can upload it to Facebook, you can upload it to Instagram, then you can upload it to YouTube Reels. Let's not forget about YouTube Reels. You can upload it to there too. So all 3 places. So once you upload one video, upload it to all 3 so you can get a whole 3 bags. You get 3 bags from each site that you're on if you are monetized on all 3 sites. Now, I'm only monetized on Facebook. Instagram is so hard to get followers. Like, I'm trying, but it's so hard. YouTube is getting a little harder too because I'm not consistent, but I'm going to start being consistent because by the end of this year, I need that. I got to be consistent. I love YouTube. I love giving you guys game. So we talked about taking the logo off. And if you guys do not know how to take the logo off of TikTok, there is a video that may be 2 or 3 videos down below, and it says how to take the TikTok logo off. And I show you step by step how to take that TikTok logo off. It's super easy, super simple. It's easy. Take that logo off. Trust me, it's gonna be worth it in the end. Because if you let's say if you upload that video of TikTok onto Facebook with that logo, and you have 8,000 views on that video, and then Facebook demonetizes it because you have that TikTok logo. Do you not know that's 800,000 views and something likes that you're gonna have to delete, and then that takes off the 100,000 views? You don't want that. Keep that logo off of there. Always remember, quality over quantity. Always remember quality over quantity. What I mean by that is, no matter how many videos you upload, if the quality is not good or it's not engaging in your followers, I should say supporters, because they're supporters. I say supporters. If they're not engaging enough, then you're not going to get a lot of views. You're not going to get a lot of likes. You're not going to get a lot of comments on your reels. You want that engagement. That engagement has to be there. So, also, you want to also have no music on your Facebook reels as much as you can. Because I've noticed that when I upload my video and I use a song from Facebook, it always say that I cannot earn money with this song, and it's a copyright. That's what it says all the time, copyright. You do not want to have any copyrights on your reels. No copyright. So try to stay away from music as much as possible. If there is free music, go ahead, use it. If it's free and you don't get in trouble for it, use it. But I say all the time, do not use music. I bet you're wondering, then what do you use then? What do you use? You use your voice. You talk. Use voiceovers. Voiceovers in your video, or you just voice out when you're recording a video. Use your voice. So a funny thing happened today. I'm in one of the groups with the reels or whatever, and the girl was like, I'm trying to do the challenge with no hands, good knees. Everybody know that TikTok song. And I had wrote on there, sing it. I was serious. I was like, sing it or use it instrumental. I'm sorry, I can't say it. Instrumental. And everybody liked it, and everybody laughed and was like, that is so funny. It's the truth, because if you can't use that song and Facebook, picks it up as a copyright, then you're out of the video. Sing it. It'll be different. Then you're gonna get more views, you're gonna get more comments. That's what I was thinking when I wrote on her status. Like, do it. So we talked about no music. Oh, I got my notes right here in front of me. And if you do get the demonetization on that song, if you want to appeal it, you can appeal it. Just state why you want to appeal it. Make sure your engagement is there. Your engagement means that you are commenting back to everyone who comments on your reels. Make sure. Facebook is not going to necessarily give you the notification that somebody commented on your reel, because I really don't see them all the time. So what you're going to have to do is go through your reels whenever you got a free time and comment back to everyone who commented on your reels. Also comment back to everybody. If you made a status on Facebook, and somebody commented on it, make sure you comment back. It's that engagement. If somebody see you're engaging in comments, they're going to comment on your page. They're going to be like, oh, well, she talks back. Let me write something down. She's gonna write me back, because it's the engagement. And engagement also brings a lot of people to your post, a lot of people to your reels, a lot of everything like that. So we want that consistency. So when uploading reels, I found out that you do have to have a certain time in the day of when you have more engagement in your reels. So mine's would be early in the morning, but for some reason it kind of died down. But I don't let that get to me. I keep posting. People say to post 10 reels in a day. If you're able to post 10 reels in a day, oh, go ahead, post them 10 reels so you can get that 100,000 views. But sometimes it'd be like you only get 50 views, 90 views, because you posted so many in a day. But I started off posting one, and then I got into learning more about the Facebook Reels, and so I started posting about 5 a day. And then one day I believe I tried to post 10. It was so hard because I was like, dang, content. If you guys know Peach Pat, she says, what's her favorite line? Everything is content. Everything is literally content. So it don't matter. You can be at the store, you can be grocery shopping, record it. Everything is content. Somebody's gonna like it. Somebody is going to comment. Somebody's gonna, do something. Okay, once you have all these steps down, you may be available for the ads. You may be available to get paid for the reels. You may be available to get stars. But I say this to say that even before all that, I haven't got paid from reels, but I have been getting ads on my videos and I have been getting stars. I haven't had nobody send me stars, but those will pop up in your notification. And when you do it, make sure you guys enter your information, your tax forms and all that. Make sure you enter all that so you can get your money's worth when you get paid. And you do need to make $100 to get paid from Facebook. So $100. So I think it's the same way with YouTube. It's $100 before they cash you out. So that's all that I wanted to say on Facebook. If you guys have any more questions on that, you guys can comment down below on this video and let me know. But like I say always, I give game to give game. Put you up on game. But, bye beauties, bye gentlemen. See you in the next video.